Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can change your plan on Netflix. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Netflix app. After the home page of Netflix opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the profile option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the profile option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, click on this account option. After you click on the account option, you'll be guided to another page on your web browser. Now on this page, click on this change plan option. Once you click on the change plan option, you'll be further guided to another page. Now on this page, you'll have to select which plan you want to upgrade or downgrade to. Now all you'll have to do is click on the plan and then click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, you'll be guided to another page where you'll have to verify your identity. After you verify your identity, the plan will be changed in your Netflix account. I hope this video helped you to change your plan on Netflix. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.